Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Pi app installed, account verified, and your phone's biometric sensor enabled. Once done, open Pi and go to the security or wallet section to begin fingerprint enrollment. This kicks off the app's guided flow. Make sure you grant camera and sensor permissions when prompted, because the app needs live data. Position your phone on a stable surface and keep steady lighting. Doing this now avoids repeated retries and speeds up the capture process. Now you move into the detailed capture steps. You'll be guided to place and lift your finger multiple times. Do so slowly and vary pressure slightly so the sensor records ridge detail from different angles. Once a capture completes, check the on-screen progress indicator. If it isn't at full coverage, repeat the small adjustments until it reaches the target. Make sure to clean your finger and sensor between tries, because oils or smudges reduce image quality and force the app to ask for more samples. Finish by saving the new fingerprint profile and immediately testing it within Pi's authentication flow so you confirm success. If the sensor rejects you intermittently, re-enroll using a different finger or slightly change the finger placement during capture. Sometimes a thin screen protector or case edge interferes. If problems persist, reboot the phone and clear the Pi app cache, then retry enrollment. This sequence resolves most issues because it resets the sensor driver and removes corrupted temporary data that blocks proper enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.